What's up, people? How you doing? How is it going? My name is Alex, and today I'm gonna be trading again. I'm gonna be earning a lot of money, I guess. However, today I'm having only $11 on my balance, and I guess this is the amount of money that 90% of you, most of you may afford. And I will show you, first of all, how great I am, and I will show you how can you earn with this amount of money. And of course, if you're willing to really earn, regardless of your balance, what you're gonna be doing, what I highly recommend you to do, just to join my Telegram private group, because all the available information is located right there. I'm sharing all the detailed information, all the detailed and flawless valuable things about the indicators and about the market itself right there. So do not forget to leave a like under this video, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. And by the way, you're not just leaving enough comments there, and I'm willing to chat with you. I'm willing to communicate, to see your feedback. So do not forget about the comments as well. Let's go. What we're doing, first of all, we're changing the chart types to candles, moving to indicators. Fractal cows is going to be there. The fractal itself is going to be there. ADX. Background, let's make it gray. How does it look though? I mean, fine. Saving that. IDX. Smoothing, not changing. Length 11 there, saving it. No, let's move to styles. I forgot it. It's gonna be blue, plus gonna be green, and minus, by the way, 2 pixels right there. Minus is gonna be red. 2 pixels right there. So yeah, this is what it is for now. On my nose. Yeah, and of course we're betting all our money, and we're gonna be going for sure. I mean, right now we are having the sharp bullish candle. And kind of that's it's the thing that brings the drop back after itself, and this is what I truly assume that we should be going for short. And I can see that the buyers are having the lack of strength right now, and this is another reason why I suggest that we should be going for short. Bounce. $21 right there. 92% of income we were having with the Australian dollars, and there was Australian dollars with francs. Ooh, we were having a pullback there. So, let me change it to 21. I'm going for long, guys, because right now let me explain you this way. We were climbing, and it was raising, and after that we just received the pullback. And if you take a look at the EDX, we can see that it's pretty logical to expect a continuation of growth after the pullback. So that's the one of the reasons why I truly believe why I'm going for long option. Bounce. $40, but it would be very nice if we were having pounds. I would love to be, I would say, bounce 40 pounds, but all right. Yeah, Australian dollars and United States dollars. Success. Completed. Won it. Nailed it. Made it. Moving to Canadian dollars though, what we are having here. First of all, changing the amount to $40. I mean, ADX signaling for long, as well as we are having the breakout of the channel, and Fractal confirms that growth. Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Crowd. 2 seconds in. Down. $77. Double sevens in my balance. Alright. I'm sorry for beatboxing. I don't know. I'm just in my mood, you know. By the way, like, I want to sleep so goddamn bad. But I don't know. By the way, it happens to me very much frequently when I'm tired and when I just want to sleep. I'm just being very energetic, very much active. Oh, my neck. So New Zealand dollars changing the amount to 77, and I'm gonna be selling that, guys, because we are having the strong resistance level at 0.974 in double hole, so basically 0.97400, and downward movement expected from that point, and that's the easiest possible way to explain you that we are just having the pullback, bouncing off from the line of the fractal, the upper line, the higher border of the fractal. Nice. Didn't want to lose that at all. 148 now. Changing amount to $140, guys. I'm gonna be going for long as well. I mean, if you take a look, you can see the buyers, they just defended the level of, defended the level at 18.79,224, and accumulation suggests further growth. And as it suggests further growth, that's kind of a thing that I should be believing. This is what is happening. If I believe, then I win. When I believe, I achieve. $275 in my balance. Yay. And guys, by the way, this is very much important to take a look at the percentages, of the payout percentages. Because right now I'm having 91%, and if you can take a look at American dollars and Australian dollars, they are having $78, and then year round half 92%. It's very much important, like when you start picking the currencies. So I just waited for a little until the Australian dollars and the United States dollars become 92% of income, and right now I just made my bed, changed my amount to $250, and I'm going for long, guys. ADX strong buyer signal. It just indicates the growth at the top of the level, and the price broke the upper channel of the fractal line. So no hesitation, to be honest. The ADX indicates real growth.
Oh my God!
$505 right there, right here we are. Nice. Ooh my God. Making here 400. Let's keep the $105 there, and we're going for short. Wow. We're going for short. Yeah, I just didn't notice the beginning of the market, and right now just so the support at the level of 458,000 was broken, and it is obvious and straightforward as a drop of water that we should be going for short. ADX, look at this. Look at this. Strong down trend with no pullback here. Strong one. And during this bet, guys, please, inviting you again and again and again and again to my Telegram private group, because everything is absolutely for free there, and you're just receiving very much important materials, very much important information there if you're willing to earn. Because in 1 second I'm going to be having $873 in my balance. I made it from $11 in about like 10 minutes. It's from $11, guys. Do not forget about that. So this is the main reason why I highly recommend you coming up and to my Telegram private group. And of course, do not forget to leave a like there. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as I said in the beginning, do not forget to type the comments down there. So cheers. You're the top man.